Hey food lovers, it's time to level up your home cooking game. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible stuffed lamb with spinach and pine nuts. Trust me, this is one dish that'll impress everyone at the dinner table. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 small onion, 2 garlic cloves, olive oil, 3 tablespoons of pine nuts, 250 grams of young spinach, 150 grams of crumbled feta, and a boned saddle of lamb weighing about 1.75 to 2 kilograms. Don't forget sumac, sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. For the dressing, you'll need half a large cucumber, natural yogurt, a small bunch of mint, pomegranate molasses, lemon zest, and a squeeze of lime. Let's start by sautéing the onion and garlic in a medium hot pan with a dash of olive oil for about 5 minutes until they're softened. Season them up, then toss in the pine nuts and fry for another minute until they're beautifully golden. Now add the spinach and wilt it briefly in the pan, giving it a good mix. Take it off the heat and stir in the crumbled feta. Next, lay your boned saddle of lamb open on a board, flesh side up. Season with salt and pepper and sprinkle over the sumac. Spoon the spinach mixture along the middle of the meat, using the fillets to support the sides of the stuffing. Roll the meat around the filling and tie it at intervals with string. Season the outside all over, then chill it for at least 30 minutes or even overnight if you have the time. This helps firm it up and makes browning easier. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or gas mark 5. Heat a roasting tray on the hob until it's hot. Add a glug of oil and fry the lamb joint for about 10 minutes until it's browned all over. Then, transfer it to the preheated oven and cook for 45 to 55 minutes depending on the lamb's weight and how pink you like it. Once it's done, set it aside to rest. While the lamb is resting, let's whip up the dressing. Mix the cucumber, yogurt, mint, pomegranate molasses, lemon zest, and a squeeze of lime together. Add a little seasoning to taste. Serve your rested lamb hot or at room temperature, thickly sliced with the dressing on the side. And there you have it, a stunning stuffed lamb with spinach and pine nuts that's perfect for any occasion. Enjoy and happy cooking.